Shenzhen Magelei Electronic and Technology Company Limited was established in 2012. Magelei is a manufacturer integrating R&D production and export services. With 12 years experience in electronics production R&D. Our main products include video audio cables, adapters and converters, such as HDMI, DP, USB Type C cables and adapters, USB hubs, Ethernet cables, and AOC fiber optic, HDMI cables, etc.
This is our USB and Type C hub production workshop. Magelei is a high-technology enterprise and technology-oriented small and medium-sized enterprise certified by the state, and also a certified HDMI adapter. We've gained many design patents and utility patents. We've also obtained CE, FCC, RoHS, and other third-party certifications for many of our products. Magelei owns 2,500 square meters of workshops, 1,000 square meters of logistics warehouses, 15 R&D staff, 15 sales staffs, and 300 workers. Magelei have complete sets of automated production equipment and professional testing equipment, over 10 production lines, over 60 injection molding equipment, and 150 large production equipment. Magelei's daily production capacity is up to 30,000 pieces, and the annual average exports value is about 8 million USD. Magelei has 5 online shops on Alibaba. Our production scale has been verified by the Alibaba SGS Group.
Magelei's founder and technology team are from Panasonic. We have advanced electronic development experience and technologies. Magelei implements strict quality control policies. Our unique 6-level QC process provides reliable product quality assurance. It consists of incoming materials QC, in-process QC, aging testing, assembly quality testing, QC before packing and QC before shipping. Our vision is to provide high-quality products and services to customers worldwide.
Magelei has provided OEM and ODM services for many well-known brands and accumulated rich experience in design and production. Over the past 12 years, Magelei has established long-term cooperation with many large-scale importers and famous brands worldwide. Magelei's products have been exported to over 130 countries and regions, such as Europe, South and North America, Middle East, Japan, and Korea.
This is the testing section.
Our aim is to provide convenience for your work and life with our advanced and professional technologies. Our production bases are located in Shenzhen, Jiangxi, Hunan, and Guizhou. Our sales and R&D teams are located in Wuhan. You are very welcome to visit our factory. We are looking forward to building long-term cooperation with you. We can customize the parts according to your requirements. If you are interested, you can visit our website for more product videos.